Ecclesiastes 3:11, ginawa niya ang bawat bagay na maganda sa kapanahon niyon. Inilagay rin niya ang sanglibutan sa kanilang puso na ano't hindi matalas ng tao ang gawa na ginawa ng Diyos mula sa pasimula hanggang sa wakas. Grabe, no? Ang lalim talaga pag Tagalog. Sa verse na to just means that in God's perfect time, He has made everything beautiful in God's perfect time. And you know, I might be in that God's perfect time for papakita ko na lang sa inyo kasi sobrang crazy ng mga nangyayari sa buhay ko lately. But it's crazy and amazing at the same time. Tara. Hey guys, what's up? So, this is, medyo special lang yung araw to. Actually, this night, kasi I'm just taking another step towards my dream. And that is taking up a film course. So, yan. Buti na lang guys, may naka-offer si Mapua na Master of Arts in Film Production. Ang bihirang sarap pakinggan, Master of Arts in Film Production pa, di ba? Wala lang, gusto ko lang magpasalamat, kala mo nanalo ng award. But I just really want to thank all the people who supported me getting here, especially my family, kasi talagang nahirapan ako i-take siya since I'm already in the construction business. But honestly speaking, talaga gusto ko maging director. But I don't know if abot pa ako doon. Siyempre, tumatanda na tayo. Wala lang, gusto ko lang i-document itong mga mangyayaring to kasi it just really feels good and I want to share that feeling with you all. Baka may katulad ko na, wants to pursue his dream tapos she or he thinks na hindi na panahon. But, in God's time, hindi mo kayang, hindi mo talaga masasabi. Si Lord lang yung may alam talaga sa panahon. This has been a dream of mine since high school. But now, I'm 31 and finally, mapaglalaban na natin yung pangarap natin. Kaya, samahan niyo ako guys. And guys, so I am now, I think, a month in film school and ang dami na namin nagawa. Actually, ilang assignment na. We've also been shooting. And one thing I really learned is that filmmaking talaga is syempre natin yung cinematography, with the visual and everything, but the very core talaga ng film is about the story and, writing. Which is my weakness kasi hindi ako magaling magsulat. But, kung magiging director ka, you really have to learn how to do screenplay. Okay din siya kasi I have to give my 100%. Lalo na yung mga kaklase ko, they're already in the industry. So the lessons are going really fast and it's a masteral. So our prof, they expect na dapat alam na namin yung ganun, yung basic. Kaya, medyo nag-back to zero and I have to learn many things din dahil yung foundation ko is more on, natutunan ko by experience. Kaya, I had to break those and, start over to relearn everything. But it's been fun. So far, I'm still happy that I'm doing this. I'm still excited about this. Kaya, ayun. Other than film school, you all know that I started a studio. And it's been months na hindi pa kami nakapag-open. Grabe, it's a whole other thing. But sobrang exciting din dahil ang dami na naming nagawa. And ang dami na namin. Ayun, sobrang sorry lang kasi many of my friends na tagal kong di nakasama is nakakasama ko na ngayon. And we have this Promdi. It is our own show na it's a podcast. And the studio that we're going to open, the challenge kasi is I want to make it a podcast studio. Mura lang siya dapat and doon ako nahihirapan gawin. But thank God, unti-unti tayong papunta na doon. Originally, parang 5K, 8K dapat siya pag may camera. Hindi pwede yun eh. It's a big
amount of money para dito sa Balayan. Kumbaga, gusto natin maging open to for everyone who wants to explore being a creative. Kaya, ayun. So, yun lang. Talagang sobrang crazy lang lately, but it's been fun. Anyway, so see you guys. I'm planning to do a weekly vlog of what's happening, what's going on every week. Para lang maging consistent din ako sa sarili ko, because I'm practicing self-discipline as well. So, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on the next vlog, and see you around the studio. Okay na.